Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Janelle and I upload new videos every Wednesday and Friday. In today's video, I'm so excited because I'm filming my favorite video of all time to film, another Amazon favorites video. If you guys love Amazon as much as I do, then definitely stay tuned and consider subscribing because this is going to be a 3-part series. I'm doing a home Amazon favorites video, I'm doing like a beauty and like random Amazon favorites video, and I'm also doing an Amazon like fashion and accessory video. These videos are never sponsored, but I don't know, Amazon is just so convenient, especially with this pandemic and everything. And I recently moved into a new home and a lot of people were asking for like ideas for home gifts and stuff for us. So I just created like a little Amazon home list. So a lot of these stuff were gifted to us from our like Amazon home wishes list. A lot of this stuff was purchased and then some we did like a little bit of both. So yeah, if you guys want to see some really bomb Amazon home stuff, definitely keep watching. Also, I'll leave my previous Amazon home favorites video link down below. That has all of my Amazon purchases from my apartment. So without any more rambling, let's jump into the video. Love you guys. Oh yeah, and I'll also leave my Amazon shop linked down below with all of my previous like Amazon favorites that were mentioned in other videos, and then also like random favorites that I always forget to talk about but I love and use all the time. So keep watching. You want to see some bomb Amazon home stuff? So I have my coffee ready and let's jump into my first favorite. It's right here. I got pretty much all of my glassware from Amazon and this one has got to be one of my favorites. This is her. She has like a nice square bottom. I'm going to show you guys a clear one so you can appreciate it better. But this I believe came with a pack of 6. If I'm not mistaken. But I love the square bottom and then I don't know, like little like detailing there. It's so simple but so just like classic and like clean looking. I'm obsessed. And I want to say these were like $20. Yeah, so this came with a set of 4 for $25. And then this one, my best friend Hannah actually surprised us with glassware because we were FaceTiming one day and I was drinking water out of a wine glass. And she was like, "Are you drinking wine?" I was like, "No, I'm drinking water, but we don't have any regular glassware." So she literally like sent this and it came the next day. I just thought it was so funny. And then she left like a little note of like, so that way you don't have to drink water out of wine glasses. It's a very similar aesthetic to the previous one. Oh, look at my face. But anyways, it's a very similar aesthetic to the previous one, except the bottom is completely rounded. So it's like similar but opposite. Again, super sleek, super clean looking. And this came with a pack of 4. I will ask her to send me the link so that way I can link it down for you guys. But yeah, came in a little Amazon Prime box. I was so happy. These are my favorite glasses of all. I mentioned this in my Christmas gift guide, so I'm just gonna mention it again here. But these wine glasses are just everything to me. I always see people talk about these when they film like their Amazon favorites video, and it took me forever to finally purchase them. But then once I got my home, I was like, okay, I need these wine glasses. They're just amazing. And this is what they look like. They just look super sleek, fancy, and expensive. I love how thin the glass is and like the stem is just like so dainty and pretty. I just feel so extra whenever I'm drinking like my wine out of this. Honestly, if it was up to me, I would drink everything out of this because of just how like classic and clean it looks. Like I'm about to pour my iced coffee in here. All right, so I guess I'm just gonna start off with the things right in front of me because next up we have my little statue guy. He's actually very tiny. He's the size of my hand, but he's so cute. I got him from Amazon. I believe it was like 20 bucks or something. How handsome he is. Just kidding. Yo, he kind of looks scary there. But I just prop him on top of a stack of books that I got from like the thrift store. And I just think it's like a perfect little additional piece to add to like an end table or to sit on top of books. So that's where his home is. I love him. So next we have these bins right here that I use in my linen closet. They're really nice because they're foldable, but they're actually super sturdy and they're nice and big. They fit a lot of stuff. They come with a pack of 4 for $30, which I thought was such a steal. Again, prices can change though, so don't quote me on that. But I love them. They keep the linen closet looking way more like neat and organized because that's where Alex and I keep a lot of our toiletries. So I just like designated 2 bins for each of us and it looks so much better. I want to get more of these though for like other areas in the house that I want to organize. But yeah, I just thought that was such a good deal to have 4 big, nice, like good quality bins like that. And then to tie into that whole vibe, we have these really nice Turkish. Sorry, I should have cleaned these before I showed it in a video. I got like my makeup all over it, but you guys can get the idea. They're like these kind of like Turkish style towels that I got for the bathroom. I'll show you how they look like all hung up. But I love just like the detailing on it. The material is like a really nice like different type of towel material, and they just look super good quality. They look expensive, but they were only like 16 bucks from Amazon. So they're just great hand towels to have in the bathroom. All right, let's move on to my silverware because I'm obsessed with it, and these were both gifted to me. To be honest, thank you everybody who has gifted us stuff. Like I remember each and every one of you guys who have gifted us stuff. However, I just don't remember which pieces from who, but if you're watching this, thank you. We really appreciate you guys shopping for my Amazon home wishes. We love every piece. But this is our silverware. Look how cute it is. Alex and I decided to go with black and gold, and you guys, this is like the most sturdy silverware ever. We have these black little spoons here. Like the quality is so good. They're nice and sturdy, and I just love like the different look, just like black silverware. And then we also got it in gold, and I just think they look so pretty together. Anytime people come over, they're always like so blown away by our silverware, and it's great. Yeah, I just love it. It's nice to have like a different touch on just like super basic home items. And then to tie in the gold, my mother-in-law actually gifted this to us from our Amazon shop. And we also have these gold little measuring tools. I'm absolutely obsessed. I do enjoy baking, so this will just make it so much more fun. It just looks so classy. Like I feel so bougie. And then we also have like the cups, half a cups and all of that. Alex's aunt gifted this to us. What's great about Amazon is that you can make kind of like registry lists in a way, and you can put all the things that you want to get. So if you're having like a baby shower, a housewarming, or anything like that, you can put stuff on the list, and then it will notify other people if it was already purchased from the list or not. And it just makes it so much easier because they can just ship it either directly to you. We got these gifted to us too, and it is this beautiful stone black dishware. It's a nice matte black coffee mug, and it is the most like sturdy material ever. I just absolutely am obsessed. I don't know if you guys can tell the theme of like matte black and gold, but I just absolutely love it. This is what the bowls look like. They're like heavy duty and great quality. I love them. They're just so like simple, clean looking, but they still look super expensive. And this came with the larger plate, the smaller plate, the bowl, and then the little mugs, and it came with 4 of each for $59. I guess tying into the matte black theme, we also purchased our kitchen faucet from Amazon, and it is just like a really nice matte black large just little faucet. We renovated our kitchen. We still have to like paint the backsplash and the cabinets and all of that, but I still love it. Anyways, we decided to go with black countertops, and I feel like just having the black faucet just tied in really nice. It doesn't like stick out too much, and it just looks so like sleek and nice. I'm obsessed. And then right next to the faucet, we also have our soap dispenser, and I purchased these little soap dispensers from Amazon. It looks a lot prettier when you have like a neutral soap in it, but Dawn dish soap. We have this in the kitchen and one in the bathroom, and I just feel like it looks so much more like sleek than just leaving like the regular dish soap out. It has the matte black top to match the faucet too, and this came with a set of 2, I believe, for $14. So we also purchased our bar stools in the kitchen from Amazon. Well, we didn't purchase them, I'm lying. My in-laws gifted that to us for Christmas, but it was linked in our Amazon shop, and I'm so obsessed with them. I feel like they fit perfectly in the kitchen without like taking up too much space. We do have a smaller island, so they were just like a perfect fit to go in there, again, without like taking up the whole space or looking like too crowded. They're super sleek, and I want to say it was like a set of 2 for $140 or $138. So don't sleep on Amazon for good furniture pieces. They feel super sturdy. They feel such great quality. Definitely recommend that. Also from Amazon, our home did not come with like an ice maker in our fridge, so we purchased one from Amazon, and I love it. It gives you like the best, I don't know if you can see my ice cubes, but like those really nice like rounded cubes. We just keep it on our countertop. It makes your ice in like 13 minutes. And then what's great about it too is that you can make a large amount of it and then just put it in a little container and store it in your freezer. And then that way you just have ice always ready. So that's what we do, and I love it. And yeah, if you've been watching my vlogs, you've probably seen a lot of these furniture pieces already, but I wanted to quickly touch on them in this video. So one of the first furniture pieces that we have is our dining room chairs. I'm obsessed with them. They came with a pack of 2 for I think $110, and they just tie in perfectly for our dining room. I wanted 2 really nice accent chairs that weren't too big and bulky but had like a nice formal feel to them. So I am absolutely obsessed with them. The next furniture item is our large green couch. I am obsessed with that couch. We initially had it in our living room, however, it was a lot bigger than I expected. So if you have a smaller living room, you can't really use it with like another large couch, which is too big. I should have read the dimensions. But it fits perfect in our little like side room that we have right off of the living room. And what's great about the couch is that it also folds into a bed. So since we have it in our little like small sitting area on the side of the living room, it's great because if we ever have like a lot of guests over, there's nowhere for somebody to sleep, it can fold out into a bed and it would just make like an extra guest space in case we ever needed it. And I'm just obsessed with the color of it. I love the look of it. I really wish that I could have kept it in my living room, but it's fine. We made it work. We found a place for it. And eventually I want to get chairs that kind of like have that green velvet theme to put in the main living room. All of the beds in our home are literally from Amazon. So we got our guest bed and the mattress from Amazon. The mattress is so comfy. So if you're looking for a super comfy guest bed for a great price, I'm telling you, check out Amazon. It is so comfy. And we just got a really simple, sleek black bed frame. That way it wouldn't like overcrowd the guest room. I am just like obsessed with how it looks, the feel of it, the comfort of it. Then we also purchased bunk beds from Amazon. I got them for whenever my nieces come and visit me. There would be plenty of space for them. And what's great about these bunk beds is that it is a full bed on the bottom and then a twin on top. This is also great if you have kids. We don't have kids, but if you needed like to make the most of a room or anything, the bunk bed is super sturdy. It's not too like big or bulky. Next we have our little dresser slash nightstand that I purchased from Amazon. It was such a good price. It's not real wood, however, I love like the finish of it. It's like the perfect size for a side table. You could put it in like the dining room or just use it as like a decoration piece, but that will also store a lot. So right now we have it on one side of our bed, and that's like Alex's nightstand slash like mini dresser. I want to get a second one for the other side of my bed, and that way I could put like leftover clothes and stuff in there or anything else that I want to store. I think it would also be really nice to have another one in our little like side small room where the green couch is, just to have like a nice little storage area, but that looks super aesthetic and cute. Next up we have my doggy Amazon goodies. So I mentioned this in a vlog, but I wanted to talk about it again. We got Choka's little food bowl and food holder from Amazon. The food holder I just think is so cute. It's so simple. It comes with like a little scooper that you can hang on the side. And I got it because we used to keep his food in our kitchen, and I just like hated having like the big ugly dog food holder things out, but I wanted it to be out because it's convenient. So getting that just made it so much better because I could just pour the food in there as like I need to, and then it can always be out. It's not sore to the eye to look at, and super functional. And then his food bowls I think are so cute. It's like his own little dinner table. And again, I can leave them out. They don't like stick out like a sore thumb in the kitchen. You know what I mean? And right now we have them upstairs in our bedroom. These next items are super boring but very functional. We actually got one of our vacuums from Amazon. In a vlog, I did mention a smaller white vacuum that we loved at the time. However, it stopped working like a month later, which was super frustrating. So we ended up purchasing another one that we liked so much better. It's super strong but super lightweight, so we're able to vacuum our stairs with no issues. It's super easy to quickly vacuum around the house, and it's cordless. I'll also hold it up. That's how lightweight it is. I can just grab it. This is her. She's cordless. It was super inexpensive, and what's great too is that easily detach the head to just like vacuum little small areas, and it's super easy to do. And then you can also just detach the head to charge it. Functional, she's great, and she makes it super easy to keep the house tidy. Next up, we also have our mop that was purchased from Amazon. She's dirty because we keep our house clean. It's one of those mops that where you can like press a button and it'll spray out the detergent, and then you just like mop as you go. And it's super easy to refill. You just detach this, pour the liquid in, put it back in. Mopping the floor is so much easier. And it's also a lot better for the floors. The microfiber bottom you can detach and wash, and it comes with several of them. So we really like her. We've been enjoying her. Alright you guys, and that wraps it up for all of our Amazon home favorites and finds and things that we got as housewarming gifts / things that we purchased for our home. I'll leave everything linked down below as well as my Amazon shop. And stay on the lookout in my Amazon shop because I'm also going to link things that I forgot to mention or things that I thought were like a little bit too boring to talk about, but that we have in our home that we purchased from Amazon. So check that out. I love you all so much. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, found some items that you liked, or just like got inspired out, then definitely give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can be notified for my next 2 Amazon videos. I love you all so much. I pray that you all stay safe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!